Thanks for joining us on today's edition of Millionaires' Secrets to Success. Our goal on this channel is to help share all the inside secrets to getting wealth for generations to come. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe as we are just getting started and need your support. A savings account is a deposit account held at a bank or other financial institution that provides principal security and a modest interest return. These accounts are designed to hold money that you don't plan to spend immediately and wish to save for the future. Here's a more detailed breakdown. The main purpose of a savings account is meant for storing funds securely, while also earning some interest. They are not typically used for everyday spending, which differentiates them from checking accounts. To truly build wealth, we need to set it aside and let it grow upon itself. This is done through interest. Savings accounts earn interest, which is usually calculated daily or monthly and paid monthly or annually. The interest rate, often expressed as an annual percentage yield or APY, can vary widely between institutions and is influenced by broader economic conditions. 2023 is a great example of being a good year to open a savings account, as savings accounts are paying more than ever before due to the interest hikes. Interest rate is of utmost importance as it plays hand in hand with compound interest. The higher the interest rate, the more you will receive in return. The beauty of compound interest is you earn interest on the amount you deposit, as well as on the interest you've previously earned. Compound interest is so critical, and over a few decades one could be worth millions and could reach this point even sooner if one can save more. Leave a comment below if you have a savings account already. Some benefits to consider: having a savings account can encourage financial discipline by providing a dedicated space for saving money. Though rates can be modest, it's an opportunity to earn something on your funds instead of letting them sit idle. Why let money go to waste when inflation lowers the buying power, and via investing and saving you can allow inflation to work for you instead of against you? Another benefit is liquidity. While not meant for daily transactions, the money remains accessible for unforeseen needs. There are actually variations of savings accounts. High-yield savings account, a type of savings account that typically offers a higher interest rate than a standard savings account. Online savings account, offered by online banks. These often have higher interest rates because online banks typically have lower overhead costs. Money market accounts. These are a type of savings account that often allows for some check writing and might offer higher interest rates. They also have higher minimum balance requirements. Access and limitations are important to consider. Savings accounts are liquid, meaning you can access your funds relatively easily. However, they are not as liquid as checking accounts. Transaction limits. In the U.S., for instance, Regulation D limits certain types of withdrawal and transfer transactions from a savings account to a maximum combined total of 6 per month. This includes transfers to other accounts or third parties. Exceeding these limits might result in fees or account conversion. While you can withdraw money from a savings account, it's not designed for regular transactions like a checking account. Hence the name saving. As always, there are fees. There could be maintenance fees. Some savings accounts might have monthly maintenance fees. However, these are often waived if you maintain a minimum balance or meet other criteria. Some savings account may even charge excess transaction fees. As noted above, exceeding the allowed number of transactions can result in fees. It's important to note savings accounts are secure through FDIC and NCUA insurance. In the U.S., savings accounts at banks are insured by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, up to $250,000 per depositor, per FDIC-insured bank, per ownership category. Credit unions offer similar protection through the National Credit Union Administration, NCUA. There are drawbacks. While savings accounts are great as a starting point, they usually provide lower returns compared to other investments, such as stocks or real estate. Keep in mind, due to inflation risk, if the interest rate is lower than the inflation rate, the real value, purchasing power, of the money in a savings account might decrease over time. When considering opening a savings account, it's essential to compare interest rates, fees, and terms from various banks and financial institutions to find the best fit for your financial situation and goals. Savings accounts are one of the oldest forms of storing wealth and allowing passive income. A bad investment could prove a savings account to be more profitable, especially if the money is just sitting idle. If you found this information helpful, please check out one of our other videos here. As always, thanks for watching, and may you be blessed with an abundance of wealth.